Hi, I'm Parth Doshi and welcome to the new video on document understanding. So, if you have seen my previous video on document understanding, I have created a video in which I'm extracting a data of table from a PDF. But in that video, while selecting the data which I want to extract, I could directly select the data and highlight the field where I want to extract it. But what if you can't directly select the data or the area from where you want to extract the data? So at that time, custom selections comes into the picture. So in this video, I'm extracting the data from an employee ID card where while selecting the data or the area where I want to extract, I will be using a custom selection. So let's get started. So as the first step of document understanding, we need to create the taxonomy. So I have clicked on taxonomy manager and this is the taxonomy. So this is the taxonomy I have created. These are the taxonomy I had created for my previous two videos. The videos link are in the description so you can check them. Now we are in employee ID. These are the following details I want to extract from the PDF of the employee. So let me show you the sample. So here, as you can see, this is the PDF of the ID card where there are the following details: name, ID, department, role, and contact number. So the same fields I've created over here: name, ID, department, role, and contact. So these are the fields, and I've selected name as text, ID as number, department and role as text, and contact as number. So I'm saving this. So this is how we need to create the taxonomy. Now closing the taxonomy, I've loaded the taxonomy. Now the second step is digitizing the document. So I've selected the document path, the document text, document object model, and I'm using Tesseract OCR. Now further data extraction scope. So now we need to fill in the details: path, taxonomy, document text, document ID, document object model. So ID again you can get from the taxonomy file that is over here. So in the taxonomy file, if you go, here is the document ID. So you need to copy this. Now after copying, paste it over here. Now intelligent form extractor. So here I'm using intelligent form extractor. Now we need to create a template. So I've already created a template of ID card. Let me show you the custom selection. So I've clicked on edit. Okay. Yeah. So now for the page, I've selected random 5 fields. Let me just show you. Okay. So here you need to press Control and select 5 different fields which will specify that you are on page 1. So I've already done that and in name. Now here for name, as you can see, Parth Dhiren Doshi, there are spaces between them and this is the complete name which I want to extract. So now here is the option of custom selection. So you click on that, drag your this particular cursor over this complete name and custom area and add it over here. So since I had already done that, I will remove this particular value. So similarly, you need to do it for ID and the developer. Now let me just show you this. So if I've clicked on 101, I'm not getting the option of adding it over here. So this field is not directly detected or this particular area. So for that, we need to use this custom area selection. Now I have done similarly for all the 5 sections. Now clicking on save. So closing this. Now configuring the extractors. So in this, I'm using employee ID extractor. Now present validation. This is to validate the data which we are getting. So here is the confirmed results. Now the data we have got, we need to export it. So here we are getting the data set. After getting the data set, I am running a loop where I'm entering the data into the ID card details Excel file. So these are all the steps we need to perform. So the main reason or the main use case of making this video is when you can't directly select a field, you can use custom area selection, which will help you to get the data from that particular field. So now let's run this bot. Now it's running, execution started. So now we'll get a validation screen prompt. So yeah, here we have the screen. So now here, as you can see, Parth Dhiren Doshi, the complete name, which spaces is extracted, ID card is extracted properly, department, employee, and the phone number. So you see now, like how using this custom selection help us. So now if we click on all this, we are also seeing the highlighted text over here. So we have successfully extracted the complete data. So now let's just save it, continue and save. Now it will write in the Excel file. So let me open the Excel file. So here, as we can see, these headers, I had already included them in the Excel file and I have used append range. So here, as we can see, we have the complete data over here in properly formatted manner. So in this way, you can use custom selection if you can't directly select the area or the text which you want to extract. Okay. So thank you. I hope this video was informative and helped you learn something new. Please like the video, subscribe my channel. I will be soon uploading different videos on document understanding and as well as different features. Also subscribe the channel. Thank you.